Assalamualaikum. This is Raisa. I am a student of class 7 of Chora Girls High School. Now I am going to present a presentation on my last visit. Hello everybody. I hope you are very well in this beautiful morning. I am also very fine to come here in this wonderful program. I am very thankful to Almighty Allah for getting me in front of you. I also thank to my honorable teacher to allow me with just a great opportunity to say something. Now I would like to start my presentation here today. In my last visit, I went to a zoo. The name of the zoo is Dhaka Zoo. It is located at Mirpur. I visited there in my public holiday. I went there with my fathers, mothers, my sisters, my grandfather, grandmother and cousins. I enjoyed there very much. I saw there very kinds of animals and birds. But among them, the tigers, lion are the main attraction for me. I am very happy to go there. I also enjoyed there. I also thank to my Allah for granting me to go there, to go the zoo. The animals which are the main attraction for us. I love animals very much. During my visit, I saw many kinds of birds, animals, and so on. I ate there many things. Now I would like to end my presentation here today. As you know, I am not a good speaker on English, so if I made any mistake, please pardon me. I again thank to my honorable teacher. Today's program give me the phone. Thank you for being with me. Assalamualaikum.
Very good.